In this video, I want to talk about something that's been on my mind for a while. As photography and videography enthusiasts, it's really easy to get caught up in the latest camera gear and technology. We often forget that the true essence of photography lies in the image, not the equipment that you used to capture it. Now, I'm not saying that gear doesn't play a role in that. Stunning images, creating them, well, it requires camera gear, but it should never be the sole focus when it comes to photography. Instead, we need to shift the focus towards the image and its composition. Some of the greatest photographs of all time, do you think they were captured with the latest and greatest camera equipment? No, all those famous pictures, they were the result of impeccable timing, composition, and an eye for detail. So the next time you find yourself drooling over a new camera or lens, take a step back and focus on the image if you want to capture it first. Consider the lighting, consider the framing and the subject matter before you even think about the equipment that you're going to use. Remember, photography is not just about gear, but rather the art of capturing a moment, of telling a story through a visual medium. So let's shift our focus towards what's really important, the image. If you've enjoyed the video, please just take a second to bash the like button and subscribe if you want to listen to more videos about the wonderful world of photography. Thanks for watching.